Hornbill TV ite Dimapur ISBT usor ahi gena ase aji transport department garne ekta notun development de transport office yare transport district office Dimapur laga notun office inaugurate kurise moi laga piche yare transport laga advisor Temjenman Babra hi gena notun office inaugurate kurise itu laga office laga notun office laga project cost hoile do around 5 crores ase aru time de complete hua karne advisor to khushi pa laga aru department tai khan laga department to second highest earning revenue ase kuise itu karne itu department de thaka employees khan holibi kun holibi mon digene kam kuria aru clients khan ge holibi kun ase customers khan ge holibi bal bra serve kuri gene professional hobo lagya laga holibi aji advisor pra kotha kurise man ita itu transport office notun Dimapur laga inaugurate kura laga details sabo.
In the name of the Lord Almighty, I dedicate this building to the people of Dimapur and beyond on this day, the 7th of April 2026. May this building be a blessing to all of us.
Now that we have inaugurated the building, it is the duty of all of us to see that this building is put to good use. Like our Commissioner and Secretary has just mentioned, our department is not like any other department. We are a revenue generating body. And the way we deal with our people, our public, our clients becomes very significant when it comes to our department. Because all those clients and all those public who visits our office may not have the knowledge of or how to go about processing their papers. Now it depends on us how we deal with them. We have to have the patience to guide them, to take them around the office and see that whatever works they have come for to the office is done in good time and with satisfaction. So we need a lot of professionalism from our department and a lot of patience from our staff here in our department. So that is one thing I would request our officials to keep in mind when dealing with our people. And I also like to thank our GM for having the magnanimity to share this plot of land from the LST ISBT, because this will supplement both the departments and will have more activities in this compound and will enhance, I'm sure, in the revenue generation of both our sister departments. I would like to congratulate the Transport Department, especially under the leadership of our Transport Commissioner, for achieving yet another landmark in coming up with this building. And I also like to congratulate the contractor who had finished this work, this job, before the allotted time. And I hope that this building will be a center of excellence in the days to come. Dimapur, being the only metro city in our state, will have a lot of people coming in and going in out of our offices, of our DTO office, and a lot of revenue will be generated from our department. Like I said, we need to work with diligence, integrity, and professionalism in achieving our goals. Whatever works that we do in this office, the office led by the DTO will have hands-on experience in facing what are the problems and what are the areas in which we can improve, or what are the strong areas that we have. And it goes beyond just issuing licenses and registration cards from this department. Now we have to, basing on the data that we generate out of this office, we need to innovate and go beyond just an issuing office. There are a lot of issues related to the transport department. Our commissioner and secretary has touched up on some of the points. Our department is actively pursuing with the government of India for an intelligent transport management system which will enhance the performance of our departments. Particularly in revenue generation, in intelligent management of the traffic, in controlling fatalities on our streets. So we have to coordinate with a lot of departments, line departments, to see that our objectives and goals are achieved.
Today is a moment of great pride and gratitude as we gather here for the dedication of the District Transport Office, Dimapur. The occasion marks not just the opening of the building, but beginning of a renewed commitment to serve the people with greater efficiency, transparency, and responsibility.
Way back in 2003, the office started. Initially, it was functioning in one of the spaces allotted to the department for a temporary period in the supermarket area. In the meantime, our place was, with a house, was purchased at 2.5 miles, adjoining the wall of the airport. And back in, I think, somewhere in the month of April, May 2007, we shifted. And the office was functioning there for quite a long time. But the house as such was becoming a little too old for proper office use. There were reports of actually some theft also. Another thing was that the space was quite limited. And when in 2014-15 period, the office building was really in shambles, an approval from the government was sought by the department, and the government very understandingly approved for temporarily shifting the DT office from its location at 2.5 miles to the interstate truck terminus at Tumgitima.
Physically, it was completed in October 2025 with a physical completion time of 28 months. The funding source is from the state government, funded in 4 consecutive years. That is, in the financial year 2023, 100 lakhs, 2023-24, 150 lakhs, 2024-25, 150 lakhs, and finally 2025-26, that is just concluded financial year, 99.86 lakhs. So these are the financial record. The project consists of mainly the components like the main building, having a 2-storied RCC building. We have canteen with kitchen, having a clean area of 450 square feet. We have 2 rooms for pollution testing unit, with a clean area of 240 square feet. We have enclosed boundary wall with proper gate. We have a parking yard paved of around 1,000 square meter. We also have a sand filtration tank and underground water reservoir having a capacity of 30,000 liters.
इतिया करने मन होबो आहिया दिन खान दे इनेगा अपडेट आदि थायो के क्रेसिन यो के हो कैमरा पर्सन वो हॉर्नबिल टीवी